Wait, so you're telling me I can type literally one single sentence into a blank document and an AI will just hand me back a fully produced documentary? No way, right? Actually, yes way. Google just fundamentally changed AI forever. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how this massive update is about to completely rewire your job.
Think about how we use AI today. You got to prep it, right? You feed it data, upload files, give it all the context. But imagine starting with absolutely zero documents. No notes, nothing. Just you, your curiosity, and a blank screen. That's the mind-bending reality of this new NotebookLM update. You're no longer bringing the research to the AI. You're just bringing the spark.
From just one prompt, this thing autonomously scours the web, verifies its sources, builds a database, and then spits out polished, professional deliverables. We're talking reports, data crunch spreadsheets, even videos. It's literally doing the heavy lifting of an entire research team in the time it takes you to go grab a coffee.
All right, Section 1. The AI waiting game ends.
So Google completely overhauled NotebookLM. They plugged in their new Gemini 3.5 model and this new anti-gravity architecture to solve the single biggest bottleneck we have right now. Look, current AI is amazing, but it waits. It literally sits there waiting for you to upload your PDFs and spreadsheets. So to fix this, Google fundamentally flipped the script. They gave NotebookLM the ability to actively hunt down information all on its own. They basically gave the AI eyes, hands, and a brain to go out and do the work.
We are moving away from an era of AI that just, answers questions, straight into an era of AI that completes entire projects. You aren't just getting a neat little summary anymore. You're getting a finished product. Honestly, I don't think most people have even realized what a massive leap this is for everyday productivity.
Moving on to Section 2. Meet your new AI employee.
Okay, to make all this autonomous work actually happen, every single notebook now gets its own dedicated, secure cloud workspace. And get this, it can actually run code. It doesn't just pretend or write the script for you to run later, it executes Python right there in the background. Imagine taking a massive, messy spreadsheet, thousands of rows, terrible formatting, and just dragging and dropping it in. Instead of you spending hours cleaning it up, the AI runs the code, transforms the data, and boom, automatically generates the charts for you.
Because it has this active computing environment, NotebookLM basically morphs into your own personal data team. It's your data analyst, your statistician, and your business intelligence tool all rolled into one single platform. And the benchmarks totally back this up too. This new system dramatically outperforms the older versions in both web research and massive scale document analysis.
Section 3. Automated research and source discovery.
Remember how we just talked about starting from a blank page? Well, this automated research feature is the absolute engine behind that magic. Step 1, you just ask a question. Let's say, what's the absolute latest in quantum computing? Step 2, the AI autonomously goes out and searches the web for reliable sources. And Step 3, it builds a fully organized research library tailored exactly to your question. It constructs that entire research environment automatically in just a few minutes.
Think about this for a second. The hardest part of research isn't usually the reading part, right? It's finding the reliable information in the first place. Think about how many hours you burn just hunting for the right data before the actual work even begins. Whether you're a student, a journalist, or leading a business team, this tool lets you entirely skip the most tedious part of the process. You basically get to start the race right at the finish line.
Which brings us to Section 4, generating instant multimedia content.
Now that the AI has gathered up all this pristine research, it turns itself into a full-blown content factory. We are talking 11 different professional output formats generated with literally the push of a button. So after your 30 minutes of automated research is done, you can instantly spit out Word docs, complex Excel dashboards, fully formatted slide decks, and highly structured CSV or JSON exports. It's not just a thinking partner anymore, it literally produces the work.
But here is the absolute most jaw-dropping part. NotebookLM can now generate cinematic explainer videos. Yeah, you heard that right. You feed it the info, or just let it find the info itself, and the AI understands the material deeply enough to write a narrative script, generate the accompanying visuals, add a synthetic voiceover, and edit the whole thing together into a documentary-style video, entirely on its own.
The line between slow, tedious manual research and instant content creation is just gone. It's totally disappearing. Google has essentially built the ultimate multimedia engine here. It's allowing teachers, creators, and business leaders to turn raw data into highly engaging visual content faster than ever before in human history.
All right, Section 5, the 5 million token monster.
To power a content factory this robust, you obviously need a massive engine. Enter 5 million tokens. That is the vast new context window, which is basically the AI's short-term memory, available in a single workspace. You know how earlier AI models would kind of forget what you talked about at the beginning of a long prompt? Well, this massive context window gives the AI a literal photographic memory for absolute mountains of data.
So what does 5 million tokens actually look like in the real world? It means you can drop in entire libraries of books, years of research archives, hundreds of hours of meeting transcripts, and decades of financial records, all into one single notebook. Boom, done. It is specifically built to manage years of information seamlessly. Because the future isn't just about having access to information. It's about being able to manage it at an insane scale.
And finally, Section 6. The future of knowledge work. Look, NotebookLM started out as this neat, kind of simple note-taking experiment from Google Labs. But today, by combining the raw power of Gemini 3.5, autonomous web research, and live code execution, it is positioning itself as the AI operating system for knowledge. We've officially crossed a massive threshold here, guys. We have gone from an AI assistant, something that passively waits around to help you, to an AI worker, an agent that actively researches, analyzes, creates, and delivers the finished work.
So I've got to ask you, if you had access to an AI research agent right now, one that could autonomously build your reports, design your slide decks, clean your messy spreadsheets, and even direct your videos from a single prompt, would you trust it with your actual job? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I seriously want to hear how you guys would use this thing. And hey, if you enjoyed this explainer, stay curious and we'll keep breaking down the future as it happens.